Wagwan. Today, I want to talk about getting to know yourself. Coming to a point where nothing matters but everything matters. Coming to a point where you're following self and not others. Some people think that you're supposed to follow what somebody else tell you. You're supposed to, when it sounds good or if it works for somebody else, it's going to work for you. But reality is no. Everybody got their own way of everything. And once we realize that being you is the best thing you can do, don't be the you. Don't be the idea of you. Be you. Flaws and all. Cause sometimes we a damn look at what we've been through, the bad parts of our life, and we'll like try to shun it out because we want to be perfect or something, or like what the fuck. Like the bad parts don't exist. But the bad parts are here to make you great. This is the reason why you are intelligent. This is the reason why you can see shit from a mile away. This is the reason why you can tap into certain shit. You can't take away the bad and keep the good and think that you're still going to be you. If you take away all the bad out your life, you won't be who you are today. You might not even have, you might even be more vulnerable. If we take out all the bad, because at the end of the day, the bad shit make us stronger. The good shit just help us, it just ease our pain. Good shit here to let you know you're on the right path. But then again, who told you what was good and bad? Who told you what was good and bad? If you ain't go within yourself and was like, okay, I feel like this is bad. Not because somebody told me that this was bad, but I feel in my heart and my soul that this is bad. So no matter if nobody is watching, I'ma still abide by this code of not doing this because it's bad, because I feel like it's bad. That's the thing that we gotta start doing. Putting a code within yourself where it's not even a code, you're just living by the law of your life. You know what I mean? Because there's certain things out here that I agree with and you don't agree with, but the shit that I feel in my soul, I'ma stand on and I'ma live by. You know what I mean? I'ma live by that shit. And I'ma die by that shit. And that's just because that's what I believe in. You feel me? And it's like, I'm pretty sure that's the same with you too. And or that's what it's supposed to be. If you ain't, anyways, it ain't supposed to be nothing. It just is what it is. But we can't be so quick to believe shit. We can't be so quick to grasp on to something that somebody else talking about that worked for them. Can't be so quick to grasp on to anything for real. You really just gotta take your time. You gotta take your time, bro. So you can see what's really in front of you. You know? You gotta look at what's really in front of you. Everybody's path is different. What I'm gonna get out this world is gonna be completely different from what you gonna get out this world. What I use my energy for, you gonna use your energy for something completely different. Everybody got their way of connecting. Everybody got their way of disconnecting. Every single person, though. Sound as good as a motherfucker, boy. On me. But we just really must see what resonates with the soul. What resonates with your heart, bro. That's what really matters, bro. What resonate with your heart, bro, and what make you feel good. What matters is the shit that you know about yourself. Don't ever let nobody take you off your throne, bro. Never. You know, you can be of a high vibration, but there's always two spectrums of the scale. You know what I mean? Good and evil, pure, tainted, black, white, light, dark. It's always two sides of the spectrum. Both of them can be used to heal and destroy. Go as you go.